Question number 1. Identify the compound given below which has bond formed by overlapping of sp and p orbitals. Option A is correct, B Cl2. Question 2. The shape of ammonia is option B trigonal pyramidal. Question 3. Which is incorrect statement? Option C. The covalent bonds are rigid and non-directional. Next question. A molecule which contains 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs of electrons in valence shell of central atom. Geometrical shape of molecules will be option C angular. Question 5. If E plus 2 will form the most ionic bond with option D F minus 1. Question 6. Bond angle in H2S is less than H2O due to option D. Question 7. In which compound the bond angle is maximum? Beryllium chloride. Option B is correct. Which statement about the following molecules is incorrect? H2S is linear. Option D is the right option. According to VSEPR theory, in which of the following molecules the electron pair geometry is pyramidal? Option D, none of the above. BeCl2 has the hybrid orbitals of the type option A sp. Question 11. Which of the following species has maximum number of unpaired electrons? Option B O plus 2. Question 12. If the overlap of sp3 hybrid orbitals in carbon atom is smaller, the bond so formed is option A weak. Unhybrid p orbitals on linear overlap. Option C neither form A nor pi bond. Question 14. In the compound CO2 and H2O, the hybridization in oxygen is respectively sp2 and sp3. Option B is correct. Which of the following hybridization can explain the shape of BeCl2? Option B sp hybridization. Question 16. Select the most stable covalent hydride. Option B NH3. The formation of butene always take place through sp2 hybridization. Option A is the right option. Next, unpaired electron in the molecules of NH3 is option A is correct, 0. The orbital with highest energy is option B unhybrid. Question 20. Which type of hybridization carbon atom can undergo in the formation of ethane molecule? Option A is P. Question 21. What is the bond order NF2 according to the molecular orbital theory? Option A 1. Molecular orbitals are generally considered as option A localized. Species with dipole moment equal to 0 is option D all of them. The bond energy of H2 molecules is option D 436 divided by Avogadro's number. Which of the following structure has a bond formed by an overlap of sp2 hybrid orbital with that of sp hybrid orbital? Option C H2 C double bond CH2. 26. Which one of the following has a covalent bonding by the overlap of sp hybridized orbital with p orbital by s? Option C is correct. Which is the least polar molecule? Option B is correct. Question 28. The molecule having 0 dipole moment among the following. Option D carbon tetrachloride. Bond energy of covalent bond decreases with the increase in option C size of atom. Question 30. What will be the shape of molecule which contain 2 sigma bond pairs and 1 lone pair? Option B V shape. Question 31. Select molecule that has unpaired electron in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Option D O2. The shape of stannous chloride is option D angular. Which one cannot extend its octet? Option A fluoride. Which one cannot be central atom? Option A fluoride. What is the electron pair geometry of NH3? Option B tetrahedral. 36. NH4 plus and SO4 minus 2 ions have tetrahedral geometry. 37. Which of the following molecules is not planar? Option C, boron trifluoride. 38. The molecular structure of BaCl2 is linear. Option A is correct. What is the approximate value of the OCO bond angle in ethanoic acid? Option D, 120. In which one of the following pairs of molecules have similar shapes? Option A, AlCl3 and BCl3. Octet rule is not followed in. Option B, BF3. Which of the following best describes the change in the bond angle in water when the ions H3O plus is formed? Option C, increases slightly. The molecular orbitals formed as a result of LCAO method obey. Option D, all of these. 44. Lateral overlapping expected in. Option B, pi bonds. Question 45. In the molecule CH2 double bond C double bond CH2, the hybrid state of carbon number 2 is. Option C, sp. Question 46. In SO2 molecule S atom is. Option B, sp2 hybridized. In PCl2 molecules the phosphorus atom is. Option B, sp3 dehybridized. Question 48. Which hybridization occurs in SO3? Option A, sp2. Next, which of the following compounds gives sp3 hybridization? Option D, all of these. Question 50. In which one of the following sp3 hybridization occurs? Option D, all of these. Question 51. In which of the following compounds carbon is sp hybridized? Option C, C4H6. Question 52. In ground state the unpaired electrons in carbon are. Option B, 2. Hybridization in carbon monoxide is sp. Option A is the right option. Which one contains the strongest carbon hydrogen bond? Ethine. Option C is correct. Question 55. The carbon-carbon bond length is maximum in. Option A, ethane. Question 56. Which of the following bond is required the largest amount of energy to dissociate into atoms concerned? Option C, N equivalent N bond N into. If the sharing of an electron pairs and the atom have an electronegativity difference of 1.4 to 1.6, what is this type of sharing called? Option C, polar covalent. Which one of the following is the most stable molecule? Option B, acetylene. Question 59. The carbon hydrogen bond length is shortest in. Option C, ethine. Question 60. Which one of the following physical techniques is applied to determine the bond length? Option D, all of them. When the electronegativity difference between two atoms is 2, what type of bond can be predicted? Option A, ionic is correct. Question 62. The bonds present in silicon dioxide are. Covalent. Option B is the right option. Question 36. Indicate the nature of bonding in carbon tetrachloride and calcium hydride. Option D is the correct option. The types of bond present in CuSO4 5H2O are. Option C, ionic, covalent and coordinate. 56. The compound which contain both ionic and covalent bond is. Option B, KCN. The two chlorine atoms form a bond with each other. The bond will be sigma. Option A is the right option. In which of the following does ionic bond occurs between the named atom? Option D, hydrogen and sodium in sodium hydride. Question 68. Chlorobenzene is a molecule. Polar. Option A is the right option. The latest energy of ionic compound is. B is correct, high. Question 70. Which one has maximum dipole moment? Option A, O dichlorobenzene. Carbon dioxide has zero dipole moment while dihydrogen monoxide a dipole moment. It is because option C is the right option. CO2 is linear while H2O is a bent molecule. Question 72. How many covalent bonds are present in carbon monoxide molecule? Option B, 2.